In this video you're going to learn one of the strongest ways to counter against one of white's most common opening, the e4 pawn push, but you will be able to play this opening in most of your games. It's really easy to learn for the beginners, but it's also played by literal grandmasters. This is a super quick overview of the Caro-Kann and the 3 variations that you'll face in your games, so pay attention now and you will win your games. We always play c6 and then push d5, and most of the times they are going to have both pawns in the middle. Now, if they do something random, they might leave the e-pawn hanging, and if they do, you can just take him and now you're winning. Awesome. Now let's look at the easiest variation. What happens if they take our pawn? Here we take back and play normal chess, develop the knights to c6 and f6, get the light bishop out to f5, play e6 so you protect the middle pawn and so the dark bishop can come to e7, and now you have a really good position and you won't really lose from the opening. Now it's down to your chess thinking abilities to win this game. If they do the exchange and attack our pawn immediately, you can get your knight out to f6 and fianchetto the bishop to g7, getting some fast development and not caring. Even if they take our d pawn, they will have 2 double isolated pawns, and that sucks for them. And in the advanced variation, this is probably the most common. Your average opponent will see this and think, oh look, I can push a pawn and gain space. But little does he know,
he fucked up.
How? Because now we play c5.
Wait, am I going to Wakanda forever myself?
Ha 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 ha. If he takes, we develop the knight to c6 and we are attacking his weak e5 pawn. Also we can push our pawn to e6 and the bishop will be attacking the c5 pawn. Overall these pawns are shit and we are going to win them sooner or later.
So he should never take me.
Yes.
I am invincible.
Now we just keep developing, we get the light bishop out, play e6, take on d4 at some point, develop other pieces and then win, due to our superior chess knowledge.
Wow, how is that guy so good? He must have jo in the top chess army. I hear they have a real chess master who helps them get good.
Now let's get to a real game.
I am the invincible pawn. What makes you so special? Ask your mom. We are now controlling the center. Your center. Now I shall take his place. I took your place, brother. Your legacy will be carried on.
Okay, so this is the exchange Caro-Kann, so the book says to just develop nicely now. Knight.
Yeehaw.
Look what you caused, knight. Now he is attacking our invincible pawn.
How is that my fault? You literally ordered me.
I don't know, but I feel like it is.
Don't worry, brother. I will save our pawn.
But I was already guarding him.
Get pinned, boy.
We must do something about this.
Don't worry, my majesty. I will unpin you, knight.
Now that the bishop is out, I can close the diagonal and protect my brother. Thank you, bro. You are welcome. Pawns together strong.
So what do I do now? Do I castle, or do I develop my bishop?
Develop bishop, please, 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 please.
Let's flip a coin. Heads I castle, tails I develop the bishop.
You will castle, I know.
Looks like it's the castle. But I am going to develop the bishop. Pawn move and block his bishop. I don't care, I'll just castle. See you later, loser. Honey, can I do it now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Please help me, queen. I am going to die.
Just kill him and it's a fair trade.
Okay. Kill me.
Lay Mao. Thanks for helping me develop. Useless.
He is not useless and he will not be forgotten. Me and my brothers won't rest until we hunt you down and take revenge. We will start by kicking this bishop around and eventually kill him.
Not my bishop.
Now you know how it feels.
If I have to die in this game, I'm taking someone down with me.
Not me.
Now I will take another pawn, which is free by the way.
Fuck guys, how did we blunder this?
Don't worry, king. I got this.
Get out of here.
Nice try. Luckily I have legs so I can move away.
That is not luck. Oh my god, thanks.
Now where will your luck lead you to?
I'll just take another pawn that you left hanging.
Fuck.
I'm on an outpost now. I need an outpost too. I'll go here then there.
I have successfully escaped your attacks, now I'm just up 2 pawns, you dumb fuck.
Oh yeah bitch, look at me.
And he sacrificed. Wait, he sacrificed the rook. What is he planning here? Take him pawn, but be careful.
King, is it safe?
Just do it you shit.
That pawn opened up your rook, so it's a rook trade now. No. But that was a fair trade, rook for rook, knight for bishop. What did that accomplish?
We gained a pawn in that trade.
What pawn?
This one.
I have to give it to you, that was good, but we are still up a pawn.
We are still up a pawn.
How dare you to enter our territory? Get out, not if we trade first.
NANI?
Now that the women are dead, we should just draw this game. The only thing that you can draw is the picture they will put on your grave.
I can draw a gun.
You can't draw a gun, but I can.
Bruh.
I am protecting. Hi.
Before the pawn pushes himself all the way in, I'll create some space for myself. I will get out too. Lame out, I gaslight you to move into a check. What check? Knight?
Trading sequence activated.
Fuck, I am open from the front. Fuck, my pawns are separate.
Your horsey died too.
I am a pawn up and have a better position, you might as well resign. I still have 4 pawns and a rookie boy that are ready for war. I would rather die than resign. Okay, your choice, not mine. What is he planning? Is he coming to guard the pawn and turn him into a herd?
I can stop him.
No, your job is to guard that pawn. Stay there, this is something that I have to do personally. What now bitch? Okay then let's start moving my other pawns.
Push itty push.
Fuck, we need to stop him rook.
I got you, homie.
Did you just copy me without knowing the purpose?
They blocked our pawn, what do I do now?
I don't know, we are doomed. Haha, I got you now.
Say goodbye to your pawn army now. Pawn, it's our chance.
I am soon going to transition.
What the fuck? Don't make it weird pawn. Nice try, but I am first to make a queen, then I will get a queen too. But I'm checking you on the next move. If you block with rook, I get a free rook, then you gotta move and I will skewer the queen through you.
Okay, here I go.
What the fuck rook, why didn't you let the pawn promote?
I got scared of him making a queen.
But we would have won her with a skewer.
Sorry boss. Anyway.
I guess it is time for me to carry the team on my back.
Look at me, I got another passed pawn. I will let you win this one. Lame out.